Ladies and gentlemen, good day to everyone. Today I would like to share to you guys one of the worst problems about the supply chain issues rising from Ukraine and Russian war. We mainly talk about how it affects the heavy industry sectors for supplying spare parts and technical service. Okay, and then the aim of this presentation is to explain just a bit the situation for supply chain issue and also our impact for the key industry. Definitely, the supply chain issue is not affect to only heavy industry, to many of the other industry sections or even agriculture products as well. But I mainly talk about the supply chain issue for heavy industries and also the mitigation for strategy and solution. Okay. So yeah, everyone already realized that we are facing the Ukraine and Russian wars somewhere in the eastern side of Europe. Maybe some of you guys not really realize that this will be affected to our business activities, routine activity as well, because of the nowadays the world is very flat. And we have to import a lot of equipment, spare parts, and also technical service. In this case, is supply the expertise service from Western countries. And because actually some of the OEMs, they import the raw material from Ukraine and Russia, and that's why when they have the new policy that they put Russia in as embargo countries, they cannot import the raw materials to produce the spare parts and also the equipment for their products, and they have to find alternative supply source. And that's why we have some kind of the supply chain issue, and we need to understand the situation to overcome this. And you see how is the numbering of the total amount of the supply chain value over the world for a couple of years. Here you will see how it's important for the supply chains. I mean, in terms of big amount divide into a month and quarter. Okay, and the key supply chain issue disruption because of the trade route. When the civil war is happened, some of the route, the transportation route from Europe to Asia countries, we have to cross by the Black Sea, for example, and then there is the terrorist which is Houthi, attack some of the ships along the way. They transport a lot of equipment or goods from Western people come here. So this seriously affect to the safe of the transportation itself, and definitely the cost for insurance will be increased also. And then in here, we just talk about for energy sectors, like just mentioned about restriction of oil and gas also affect to the producing to electricity to supply to some of the OEM. I mean the manufacturer, the factories in the Western countries, in Europe, and they cannot have enough. I mean, shortage of electricity affect to their production lines as well. Okay, and they need to buy another. They find another alternative source for the raw material to exchange with raw material should be imported from Russia. Okay, and for mitigation strategy and solution, you have to prepare it in advance to deal with the new suppliers and also to deal with the logistic, the forwarder, and to to optimize the route to avoid any risk during transportation, and also to optimize the cost for insurance itself. Okay, so far, if any question and discussion, yes, please, maybe if not here, then you please send email to me, and we will reply to you accordingly. We very much appreciate for any comment and idea. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye. See you.